Hi, welcome back to Way-Har. Today we get to have a lot of fun. We're going to make homemade milkshakes. It's a great, easy snack. It's very simple, and you can use any product that you have. So we're going to start with ice cream and whole milk, and then we can add fruits, and we can add snacks, and we can add all sorts of fun stuff. So let me get started. I'm going to start with some homemade vanilla ice cream. So now that I have about 8 ounces of ice cream, I'm going to add my milk. We prefer to use whole milk in our milkshakes. It gives it a whole lot of body and has a lot of protein and calcium. Remember, milkshakes are really a very good snack. They have a lot of energy and they'll sustain you if you have to miss a meal. And the best part about making a milkshake is you can make anything you want. As you can see here, I have a fresh ground hazel peanut butter. We have some more mixed trail mix. We have cookie crumbs. The classic is malt. A lot of people love malt in their milkshakes. You can put in candy such as M&Ms, bananas, and I'm going to use some of our strawberries. So add some strawberries, add a little bit of syrup, and then we're going to spin it. You can make yours in your own blender, or if you have a Ninja or any items like that, that's fine. And as you can see, sometimes it can get a little messy, but that's okay. So while this is drying, you can think about some other great dairy snacks that you can have every day. Maybe some yogurt with granola. I have a girlfriend named Karen. She adds granola to her milkshakes to give it extra energy and protein. You can also do string cheese, yogurt, and other things. There's lots of ways to use dairy every single day to make sure that you get 3 servings to have strong bones, pretty teeth, and a healthy smile. As you can see, my milkshake's just about done. And I'm going to pour it into my beautiful cow cup. So while you're home with the family, I suggest you take some time, pick out your favorite flavors of ice cream, find a few ingredients that you really enjoy, whether it be fresh fruit, granola, you can make like a Hiker's Delight, and have a very tasty, wonderful, fresh, homemade milkshake.